Hey, welcome back, YouTubers. This is JJ Shop. I'm Jordy.
I'm Jeffrey.
And this is JJ Shop. We are returning from yesterday when we put our garage door opener up to replace that garage door opener. Actually, this is a whole week later.
Yeah.
It's a whole week later.
That's okay.
Yeah. So
what did we do last night?
Well, so last night we figured out what Jeffrey somehow had the Genie garage door opener locked into.
I didn't do nothing.
It was locked up.
I didn't
Red
do
lights on. Nothing would work. So anyway, it was kind of late and it was cold that night anyway. So, but it was late and it was cold last night. And we did what?
Well, we got at it.
We got at it.
And it worked.
We got it figured out. So I'll tell you what we figured out. First of all,
read all the constructions.
read all the constructions and read them again. If things are going south, read them again. So that's what we did last night. So if you have one of these Genie garage door openers, the new ones, the blue ones, the belt drive, the screw drive, the chain drive, whatever.
Yeah.
What we found out was just start over. Set the down limit, set the up limit.
Yep. Preferably with the door on.
Exactly. Preferably with the door on. So once we did that, we set the down limit, we set the up limit, then you have to run the door through a full cycle, up and a down. And that sets the amount of pressure.
Yeah.
Right? So that's a 1 1/4 horse. That door is probably 250 billion pounds with the siding on there and all the nails and stuff in it. It was cool. 28 years ago when I built this place.
Yeah. Times have changed.
Times have really changed. Yeah, I can't wait to reside this place. Yeah. All right, that's another video. Anyway, so what we found out was, number one, and we probably could have made it work with the other switch, Jeffrey, and all, in hindsight, right?
But that's a nice switch.
But this is a nice, so this switch here is a separate light, so we can just turn the light on, which is really cool because we need light in here, more light in here from time to time because we haven't finished sheetrocking, which is why it's so cold in here.
That might be done this year.
That is going to get done this year for sure.
That's what I want to hear.
I say that every year though.
You do.
I do.
Is this year the year?
This year's the year.
Oh boy.
All right. Okay. So anyway, so that was the whole deal right there, right? So if you have one of these or about to use one and you don't have the instructions, we'll go over it real quick here because we got to do my remote real quick, which is basically the same process, right? Almost. So if you have one of these Genie garage door openers, screw drive, chain drive, belt drive, what you do is you hit the set program button up here underneath there. Jeffrey will point that out.
That's the
Right
set
there.
one.
Yeah, you hold, actually, that's not true. We hit the
hit it.
down button and hold it, don't do it.
Hit that for like what?
Hold it until the long blue light
Long blue, which is right here.
goes on, and
Till it's blue.
yeah, it'll go blue. And then you hold the down button to make the garage door go all the way closed.
All the way down.
Yeah, and you can let off and hit it a couple times. It'll allow you. And then once you have the door closed all the way, and you're happy with the down travel, then you let up and you hit the set program,
Yeah.
and it will flash blue and then go out.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah, now your down limit is set.
Yes.
Now you'll go to the up button
Up.
right there, and you will hold that for a few seconds until the blue light goes blue. The long blue light goes blue, and then you'll hold the up button until the garage door is all the way open. That now, once it's all the way open, hit the set program button again.
Yep.
The light will flash, the blue light will flash, and it'll go out. Now your up limit is set. Now, go over to the wall unit, or if you have a wireless remote that's already working, and run the garage door all the way closed. And then hit it again and run it all the way up. You are now done. The garage door opener will work, right? So now, so what we're going to do is go through the setting of the wireless remote. So, I just read that. What do I got to do? Oh, I just read that over here. I was ready to do this, Jeffrey. I was all ready. I think we have to hold the set program button anyway here. Page 10. As a matter of fact, you know what, Jeffrey? Just in case somebody doesn't have the instructions, let's just film that and put it on there so they can read it and not have to worry about us.
You can stop it and look at it.
There you go.
Yep.
There you go. So there you go. So now is what we're going to do is we're going to set the remote, Jeffrey. We're going to press and hold the set program button on the opener for 2 seconds. The round LED will turn blue. The long LED will then flash purple. Stand at least 5 feet away from the opener. Away from the opener, and slowly press and release the desired button on the remote 2 times. Both opener LEDs will flash and turn off, indicating the remote has been programmed. Okay, ready?
Yep.
So you're going to hold the set program button for 2 seconds. And what's going to happen? Light's going to flash and go purple. Yep. And then I'm going to slowly depress button number 1 2 times. And those lights are going to flash and go out and tell me that we are programmed. Right?
Yep.
Okay.
Which one?
Set program. Hold it.
For 2 seconds.
Yep.
Okay, flashing purple.
Okay. There you go. 1,
Yeah, now they're both purple.
2,
Blue.
and they're out.
Yep.
Voila! My remote is now programmed. Alrighty. And then you're going to do this for all the remotes that we have for this thing. I think this thing came with 2, as well as it came with the keyless pad, which, alrighty. Yep. So now it's time to put the battery back up on and put the lens on there, or put the light thing on here, right, Jeffrey?
Yep.
What's this?
Huh?
What's that?
I don't know. You're the one who read the instructions.
Is that something?
A time or two.
That's something we're supposed to have on there?
I don't know.
Keep the belt from jumping off, maybe?
I don't know.
I'll bet you it is. I'll bet you that goes up on top there somewhere. I bet you that the chain guard there, belt guard?
I don't know.
I don't know. Alrighty. Alrighty.
Okay.
So, yeah. Are you doing that or am I doing that?
I can do it.
All right. I like your thinking again. Hey, you know where to plug this thing in and
Yep.
Let's just get it hung first and then we'll get it plugged in. All right.
Uh-huh. I think I've got it set up for.
Oh, you already did it. Nice.
Well,
Nice.
You know.
I'll bring the camera. Hold it up there when you're doing what you're doing. When you're doing the thing you're doing. When you're doing, that thing you're doing.
Work.
Yeah. You know that slips under.
I do.
Yeah, okay. Don't drop it. Yeah. 1 or 2 things at a time, okay?
What? Okay, I'm gonna need to get all the way.
All right, you got it?
Yep. There it is.
Okay. Yeah?
Yep.
All right. Hold yourself steady. Don't wiggle on the ladder. Let me grab the camera and I'll let you show where those go, how those lock in. So,
So you just slide it into the 2 slots up here, and then well, let me plug it in right here.
Oop, it's plugged in. I see a green light. Light
Ooh.
just turned green, Jeffrey.
That's good.
We now have battery backup. So if the power goes out.
It's green. Yep.
Yep, there you go. All righty.
Should I fasten it?
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna need fasteners, aren't you?
I got them.
Oh, you got them?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Come on now.
What'd they do, go through the hole in your pocket?
Nope.
Okay. I'll try and get some of this while Jeffrey's doing it there. Not too tight, remember.
Nope.
They're plastic.
Yep.
We don't want to give it all the Ugga Buggas. Let me just turn the light off, okay? Okay, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, you come down now without getting hurt. All righty. Well, let's turn this around since we were facing the backside of the garage with the camera. All righty.
Now putting the lens on.
Let's put the lens on. You want the light for that? You want to blind your eyeballs while you're putting that on?
We'll see.
Sure. Okay, let's do that.
We'll see.
Oh,
What?
well, I'm kind of wondering. I think there's a timer on these.
Light?
How long it stays on. We'll find out.
We'll find out. Sure.
We'll find out. You're probably going to want to come on this side. Well, we'll flip the ladder around.
Eh, I did this side. It's easy.
Huh?
I did this side. It's easy. Just a step in it. Maybe.
Uh-huh.
Come on now. There we go.
All righty.
There we go.
Excellent. Battery backup. Light covers are on. We now have a garage door opener
With some light too.
with a light and battery backup. That's awesome. That is awesome.
Right?
So that means I've got to program one of the remotes for the wife's car so that if the power is ever out, she can still come through that garage. She's still going to have to park her car outside, but she can come through that garage door.
Yes.
All righty. I believe that just about completes our installation, does it not, Jeffrey?
I think so.
I mean, other than our wireless keypad, which haven't really decided where or what I'm going to do with that yet. You know what I mean?
Right.
We're gonna call this video finished. This is already an extremely long video, and Jeffrey's gonna have to do some serious editing because there is some serious dead time in here.
I could make into a few videos.
Well, I think we're
Maybe
probably
2
good with
videos.
one. Yeah, we don't want to kill people with
No.
boredom. So anyway,
Right.
so we did want to go. We did want to wrap back around on this one here so that we could tell you what we found out. And you know, this thing was locked up. We couldn't get it to do anything. It wouldn't work with the wall. Wouldn't work with anything.
Yep.
2 red lights on, and we just couldn't get it to do anything. But that's because we didn't follow the constructions, Jeffrey. We got to follow the constructions. So anyway, we thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed the video. We realize that it's super long, but hopefully Jeffrey will get it down to a level that that doesn't put you to sleep too fast. So again, we really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe if you haven't already. Share the video with your friends, family, neighbors, and give us any comments that you maybe you're thinking, gosh, these guys are a couple of idiots. Go ahead, let us know, man. We'll take any comments we can get right now. Helps our algorithm. Alrighty. Again, thank you very much. We appreciate it. Jeffrey's going to put a video right here and maybe one right here.
Something.
Stuff coming up. All right. Thank you again.